Want to see how to build a sales performance and profitability dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is exactly what we're building today with AI. This is the comprehensive sales data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our sales data into Bricks. File uploaded successfully. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch Bricks AI analyze our data in real time. The AI is examining sales patterns, customer segments, regional performance, and profitability metrics across our entire dataset. It's automatically generating 6 interactive charts showing sales distribution by segments, revenue trends over time, profit analysis per transaction, regional breakdowns, product category performance, and top-performing items. Plus 2 detailed tables displaying salesperson rankings and monthly performance metrics. Perfect! Our sales performance and profitability dashboard is complete with comprehensive visualizations and insights. We can instantly customize the theme for better visual presentation. Now, let's switch to presentation mode for a clean professional view perfect for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen format removes all editing controls, creating an immersive dashboard experience ideal for boardroom presentations and executive client demos. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with every chart and table. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.